welcome again. Today we are going to draw a lion. Lion used to do oh.
And they can do wow.
Yeah. What's the first letter of lion?
L.
L. Good. Alright, so let's start to draw. Okay, so from here, the middle of your paper, from the center here.
Here.
Yes.
Down here.
Yeah, start there. Then make coily shape to go round. We're going to go round.
Like a coily.
Yeah, you can also start from the top here. Go round to make the head of the lion.
I want to go this way again.
Yes, you can go anywhere you want.
That way again.
Yeah. You have it.
I want to go this way again.
Yeah, that's nice. That's fine. So let's make the ear of the lion. Yeah.
But
One.
that looks like an eye.
Just cover it down. Not too much. Make another one here. Like this. Good. Then join this place. Cover it as a circle. Like this. Good. And here, curve this and form the head and come back to this round. Good. Alright, so let's form the body of the lion. We can make a shape like a circular shape like this. Okay.
It looks like a baby is in his tummy.
Yeah, so let's give the lion a leg like this. And another one here. Okay, and then at the back, we give it another leg here, like this. And another one here.
The lion has a lot of legs.
Yeah, it has 4 legs. Then let's make like a circle on the leg.
Like the giraffe.
No, make a
It's
circle.
like the giraffe.
Yeah. Make a circle on the leg. Okay. Good. Then let's add a tail to it.
How can I draw a tail?
Yeah, make some like this, a tail. 2 curvy lines. Good. And then make some like a leaf, as if you want to draw a leaf.
Like the one outside?
Yeah, leaves on the trees. Make it like that, curvy. Wonderful, that's awesome. Then the legs, let's do a curvy, just do a curvy lines on the leg, on the feet. Okay, do it for all of them. Good. Then let's add a big eye.
Like the one like ours.
Yeah, big eye, big round circle, like this, 2 of them. Good. Let's also draw something like an oval shape here. An oval shape. Yeah. And let's make something like
It looks like somebody say, "Oh!"
Make a smaller oval shape here.
It looks like somebody say, "Oh!"
Yeah, it looks like somebody screaming. Make an oval shape inside. Good. And then draw this out like this and cover it like this.
The dog.
Yeah. It's also like the dog. Then let's make small circle inside, 2 small circles inside the eyes. 2 small circles inside the eyes. One can be big, one can be smaller. It's okay, that's fine. Then on the ear, let's make another circle inside the ear like this. Okay, that's fine. So this is our lion. We are going to use our color to trace it out.
Color your nose.
It's okay. You can color yours too if you want.
I want to color everything.
No, don't color. We are going to use our marker to bring it out, to highlight them. Okay? So let's go. Let's highlight our lion. Use a black pen now.
I'll be good, Daddy.
So let's start with the hair.
What?
So just trace out the outline. Good. Wow, this is looking nice. Summer lion.
Sometimes I see if any people say to eat.
Alright, so let's use the orange to make the body.
Color?
Yes, let's color. Trace from here. Okay. Alright. Wow. See, some lion is so cute. Yeah, our lions are cute. Alright. So now, friends, I hope you're able to also draw a cute lion. A roaring lion. Oh.
What letter starts with a lion?
Yeah, what letter? Can you tell me? Okay, so can you... Good, L. So can you write the letter L? Which color? Orange? That's good. So write a letter L.
Daddy, first you have to
Go ahead. Good. Letter L. That's awesome. Wow. So now we've come to the end of this video.
Subscribe to the channel.
Yeah, someone says you should subscribe to our channel.
If you did not subscribe to our channel, subscribe right now.
Yeah, if you have not, please subscribe right now. I hope you did a wonderful drawing along with us. Please subscribe and let's see you in another video. Thank you and bye.